There's something strange about making art, isn't there? You spend hours, days, sometimes even years creating something from nothing. In the beginning, it feels like it's enough to simply make it, to process your emotions, express yourself, reflect. But then what? You realize one thing. Art needs more than just the artist who created it. Art needs a community, eyes to see it, hearts to feel it, minds to interpret it. Without that, it's just another object, a small piece of your vision sitting in the corner of the studio, just waiting to find its purpose. And although art does serve a purpose when it's created and not shared, there's so much more to the story. When art finds its people, that's when it transforms. It becomes more than just a curated collection of brushstrokes. It becomes a conversation, a bridge between you, the artist, and the viewer. It's not just a piece of you anymore. It's reborn into something new, something larger, something shared. You see, art can speak for itself, but it only really comes to life when it connects with other people. When someone looks at it and feels something, when it makes them think or even changes the way they see the world, that's when the art becomes more than just an idea in your head. That's when it reveals its true power. I'll be honest, I'm definitely an introvert, and sometimes I wonder if sharing my work is even necessary. And yes, it's scary. Sharing something so personal is scary. But here's what I've realized. Sharing is where the magic happens. It's the only way your art can begin a journey of its own when it finds its greater purpose and becomes part of something larger. When it moves and inspires others, this is how it will finally complete its mission. And all those hours spent creating the art will finally feel like that was time well spent. It's not enough to just speak the art into existence, and it's certainly not enough to simply create it. Art needs a community around it to bring it to life. When someone sees your work and they connect with it, that's when it becomes something else. It becomes part of their story, part of what inspires them. And it can also become part of something bigger than you ever imagined. That's when your art really evolves and has the power to transform and move people far beyond the four walls of your studio.